Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I will show you how to install the sandbox solution edition of List Copier on an on-premises SharePoint site. This installation method works the same all the way back to SharePoint 2013 and almost the same up to on SharePoint Online, but let's focus on the on-premises versions now, because this is what I'm showing here. I'm showing it in the subscription edition, but again, it's the same in all. First of all, I need to make sure I have the site assets document library here, because the JavaScript file of this copier will be in that. So you do want that included. If you don't have it, then you go into Site Settings, find the Manage Site Features, scroll all the way down to the wiki homepage and make sure you activate that one. Then you will have the site assets. Then you go back into Site Settings and go into Solutions, and there you upload the solution, choose the file that you have downloaded from the kalmstrom.com website, and then you simply upload that one, and then you activate that solution. That solution comes with a feature. That's the reason you're installing it. So to activate that feature, you go back into where I showed you recently, the Manage Site Features, and there you go, List Copier and the version number there. Then you just activate that. And now it's available on all lists in the classic experience. So now here's the sales site, and of course this is the modern experience. So if I return to classic SharePoint, go into the list, there it is, List Copier, and I can work with the list copying functionality there. So that's it. You upload the solution after making sure you have the site assets in place, and then you activate it, and then you activate the feature in the site. Also, if you want to do this in subsites, it's the same principle, then you only have to do the activation in the subsite. Thank you for watching this demo.